A green planet is a clean planet, so why not the same in our homes? Well, here are some amazing plants that not only produce high levels of oxygen but are great air purifiers too. Number 1. Snake plant. This plant is not only known to release oxygen at night but also absorbs toxic pollutants from the air, and in addition to this, snake plants are also known to remove negative energy according to Feng Shui. They are low maintenance and easy to carry for. Number 2. Peace lily. As the name suggests, peace lilies symbolizes peace, prosperity and purification. The plant is listed in NASA's study of natural air purifiers. This plant removes harmful toxins like ammonia and many other pollutants from the air. Number 3. Spider plant. Another plant that NASA listed amongst natural air purifiers is the spider plant. Assumed to have gotten its name from the spidery look of the plant, spider plants are very easy to grow and low maintenance. Number 4. Bamboo palm. Bamboo palm resembles bamboo stems and hence the name. Their slender trunks can grow up to 12 feet tall and act as natural air purifiers. Also, its leaves, which are deep green, give it a tropical appearance. Number 5. Money plant. Also called the jade plant. The money plant absorbs CO2 and releases oxygen at night. It is also a NASA-researched air purifier that can reduce many harmful toxins. Acts as an anti-radiator. Money plant tends to shield and absorb radiations emitted from Wi-Fi computers, laptops and mobile phones. Number 6. Aloe vera. One of the most common and popular plants, aloe vera, is used for multiple medicinal purposes. It not just removes pollutants from the air but also provides high amounts of oxygen. And let's not forget about the numerous benefits of aloe vera's gel. Be it juice or face pack, it works like magic. Also remember to buy these plants from local vendors and grow them in earthen pots and not plastic.